ResBook team is super excited to share with you this latest feature release video. Today we'll be introducing our new navigation. In this video, I want to run through the new look, what has changed or moved, and also explore the navigation on tablet devices. Okay, so jumping into ResBook, we can see straight away that things have changed. We have removed the upper navigation section and combined everything for a more streamlined, simple look. The main options along the new navigation will remain the same depending on which modules you've subscribed to. However, hovering over them has been improved, and we have also added new drop-downs. On the right-hand side, we have removed a few buttons and converted them into icons in order to streamline the look. You can access the main search bar, setup wizard, main settings, as well as the ability to log out using these icons. Underneath the main navigation, we have our sub-navigation. We've also improved the look and feel here too. Everything has been kept for the calendar view, so you can still select an individual month, specific day, make a new booking, and head straight to today using these buttons here. We have updated the right-hand side of this navigation as well by streamlining the buttons for how many days to show, adding the agenda calendar switch as well. For more information, check out our agenda view video in the description. Next, let's check out the menu on tablet. This has been improved to allow for easier access throughout ResBook. We still have our icons along the top right-hand side with the ResBook logo on the left. However, when clicking on this menu icon, you'll gain access to the new ResBook tablet menu. Here you can expand any section by tapping on the arrows, or if you want, access a specific page by just tapping on the name itself. And that's everything you need to know about our new navigation. We hope you love it. For more information, check out resbook.com for our release notes.